Hello friends, it's me Shreyan again. Today I'm going to travel from Kolkata to Shimlipal. I'm very excited about the journey because it's going to be an exciting adventure.
As you all know, I am an explorer, so I love to travel far and wide. And every time I do so, I discover many different places and experiences. My life is a long journey, and I find the journey most enjoyable when the destination is very far away. And right now, we are going towards the Bali Bridge, which is also called the Vivekananda Setu. I have travelled through this place many times, and every time I simply love this stretch. I don't know how much of the beauty of this stretch is visible in the recording, but the bridges running parallelly over the wide tributary of Hooghly look perfectly splendid. As the entire journey is going to be a lengthy one, I am going to break it in small parts, and this is the part 1. By clicking the I button on the top right corner, you will be able to view the other parts of the same trip. And right now, we have stopped at the new Ghosh Hotel and Restaurant for breakfast. And I don't know exactly where this is, but we just saw the signboard and some vehicles and stopped here. And while my parents are ordering food, I found myself a throne. So Ma and Baba are going to have masala dosa, and I'm going to have puri sabzi because I like puri more than dosa. We are taking National Highway 16 because according to Google Maps, that's the fastest route from our place at Dum Dum in Kolkata. My father loves driving, and my mother is extremely fond of traveling. So I have been to numerous road trips with them ever since I was a little toddler or maybe even smaller. Most people may prefer shorter road trips, but for the three of us, the longer is always better. Also, all three of us love beaches more than hills or forests and are wondering if it would be a better idea to head to Puri instead of Simlipal. But then Simlipal is something we have never explored, and so maybe we will go to Simlipal first and then to Puri. And just look at the beauty around. This is absolutely stunning. Can you see the trees and the soil changing slowly? I think this is one of my favorite things that makes me feel great. You know, this is why my favorite subject is geography, where I can learn about the diversity of land and culture we have here in India. And just see, by just crossing the state of West Bengal and entering Odisha, we can see so much of overall change. Simlipal is basically a national park and a tiger reserve in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. The nearest city to Simlipal is Baripodo, so we are basically heading towards Baripodo right now. As it gets greener, I'm slowly getting a feel of the jungle. The great poet Robert Louis Stevenson had said, "It is better to travel hopefully than to arrive." This means we should just enjoy the moment as it goes. We should not expect our trip to be like something. If we do so, we may end up feeling disappointed when it won't turn up the way we might have imagined. But if we enjoy the journey as it goes, we may encounter some beautiful surprises.
Now we are about to enter the jungle. I'm so excited. Yay! A good traveler never has a fixed plan and never intends to arrive at all. But even then, there are times when we finally end up arriving.
And here we have arrived at the gate of the Simlipal Tiger Reserve and Sanctuary. So we have reached Simlipal and I am going to be covering the rest of our journey in the upcoming parts. This is the part 1. In the part 2, I am going to be sharing with you where we stayed. Our stay out here is going to be quite an experience. So in some time, I will be providing the link to the second part in the I button. For the time being, you can click on it to view some other interesting logs from my channel. Last but not the least, don't forget to show some love and hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. That will be all for today. Ciao!